Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat down to study, opened your laptop, picked up your book, and within 5 minutes, you're scrolling your phone, watching random videos, or doing literally anything else? Yeah, that's not laziness. That's a broken focus system. My name is Daniel, and I spend way too much time thinking about focus, about productivity, and why most students struggle to stay consistent. If you're someone who starts studying with full motivation, but somehow ends up distracted every single time, then make sure to subscribe and give this video a like, because in this video I'm going to show you 7 habits that are silently destroying your focus, and more importantly, how to fix them. Here's the truth. Most people think they have a focus problem, but that's not true. You don't lack focus. You've trained your brain to be distracted. And once you understand that, everything starts to make sense. Let's start with habit number 1, starting your day with your phone. The moment you wake up, you grab your phone, notifications, messages, reels, and you tell yourself just 5 minutes, but that 5 minutes turns into 30. And more importantly, you've just trained your brain to believe distraction comes first. Your brain gets addicted to quick dopamine hits. So when it's time to study, your brain says, nope, too boring. Here's the fix. Don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, drink water, stretch your body, sit quietly for a minute. Train your brain to start slow, not chaotic. Now, habit number 2, multitasking. You're studying, but also checking messages, listening to music with lyrics, switching tabs every 2 minutes. Sounds familiar? Here's the truth. Multitasking is fake. Your brain is not doing multiple things. It's switching rapidly, and every switch costs focus. Research shows it can take up to 23 minutes to fully regain focus after a distraction. Think about that. One distraction can ruin your entire session. Here's the fix. 1 task, 1 session. Try this. 50 minutes of focus, 10 minutes break. No phone, no switching, just deep work. Now, habit number 3. No clear plan. You sit down to study, but you don't know what to do. So you read random topics, jump between subjects, feel busy, but achieve nothing. Your brain hates uncertainty. When there's no clear direction, it looks for an escape, and that escape is distraction. So here's the fix. Before you start your day, write 3 to 5 specific tasks, not study math, but solve 20 algebra problems. Clarity creates focus. Now, habit number 4, overloading yourself. You tell yourself, today I'll study for 10 hours. Sounds productive, right? Wrong. You burn out in 2 hours, then quit, then feel guilty again. Your brain has limits. Focus is like a muscle. If you overuse it, it shuts down. So start small. To 4 focused hours daily is more than enough, because consistency beats intensity. Now, habit number 5, constant dopamine. Apps like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok are designed to destroy your focus. Every scroll is a new stimulation. Your brain gets used to fast, easy, entertaining content. Now, compare that to studying. It's slow, hard, requires effort. So your brain rejects it. Here's the fix. Limit your dopamine. No social media before study. Use it only after your work is done. You control your brain, not the other way around. Now, habit number 6, poor sleep. You sleep at 2 a.m., wake up tired, and expect to focus. That's not how it works. Sleep directly affects your memory, your focus, your decision-making. No sleep means no performance. So fix it. 7 to 8 hours sleep minimum, and no screen 30 minutes before bed. Let your brain slow down. Now, the final habit, negative self-talk. You keep telling yourself, I can't focus, I'm lazy, I'm not disciplined, and your brain starts believing it. So here's the fix. Change your identity. Instead of saying, I can't focus, say, I'm improving my focus daily. Small shift, big impact. Here's the truth. Most people don't realize focus is not something you find. It's something you build daily, slowly. So here's your action plan. No phone in the morning. Plan your day. Study in focused sessions. Limit social media. Sleep properly. Do this for 7 days. You'll feel the difference. Do this for 30 days. You'll become unstoppable. You don't need motivation. You need a system, because motivation fades, but habits stay. So Start small, stay consistent, and fix your focus. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this, because discipline today creates freedom tomorrow.